Welcome to ElectroDigit's Transportation Instructions. Packing requirements. Always transport the machine in original packaging or equivalent protective crates. Apply clear labels such as fragile, this side up, and weight indicators. Secure the package with straps before movement. Use forklifts, cranes, or two-person lifts for safe handling. Never attempt to push or pull heavy boxes alone. Follow proper lifting techniques and equipment use at all times. Distribute loads evenly in the transport vehicle. Avoid overloading, tilting, or unstable stacking. Balanced weight ensures safe and efficient transport. Protect cargo from moisture, dust, and extreme temperatures. Use covered or insulated vehicles for sensitive equipment. Never leave machinery exposed to rain or direct sunlight. Assign a responsible supervisor to oversee the transport. Secure cargo with locks or seals, and keep emergency contacts ready. Transport safely. Protect your investment with ElectroDigit.